Hi everyone, it's Sue. Has this rainy spring weather got you down? Are you longing to be lying on a beach soaking up the sun rays somewhere, listening to the waves lapping on the shore? Me too. So, grab your acrylic paints and your canvas and join me tonight live at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're going to paint our own tropical island. So if you're not in the mood to paint, and you would just like to sit back, soak up the warmth of friendly chatter, then come along and chit-chat with me. Again, tonight, 7 p.m. live Eastern Standard Time. So hopefully you're feeling peachy and you're ready to get beachy.